pinaka-gusto niyo na project ng SMBC?
Gold City.
Gold City.
At saka sale. Una, it's near the area, location. Location-wise, it's near to the 3 biggest casino. Okay, the City of Dreams, the Okada, and then the other one, ano ba yung isang casino dyan? Magkakasunod din eh, City of Dreams, Okada. Ano pa nga isang mga casino? Tabi sa City of Dreams. Isa pa? Soler. Okay, and it's also just 3.5 kilometers away to MOA area. Number 2, ang airport kasi hindi natutulog. No, it's 24/7 operational. And sa airport natin, walang malapit na hotel. You have to go to Pasay. Correct?
Yes.
Para ka makapag-check-in kasi pagbaba mo, wala ka matutulugan. Lalo na pag 1 o'clock AM ka nakauwi or lalo na yung mga ano din, mga nagtatrabaho sa airport. So they have to look for a place to stay. Now, that area is just few hundreds meters away. It's just right across na Iyawan. So pag nakatayo na yan, number 1, 24/7, pwede siyang maka-check-in yung client mo if you do that for business as an investment. Yun ang maganda naman. Number 2, it will be like also a small, parang BGC city na rin siya. Kasi it's going... Kasi it's kaya nga siya tinawag na Gold City. Kasi sa front nun, it's towers. Nasa likod nun are residences. The towers, Gold Reso Towers, it can be an office and at the same time, it can be a home or residential home. Sa likod nun, yun naman ang parang talagang residences. One good thing I like about Gold, per tower has its own swimming pool.
Wow.
Ibang condo kasi, like nasa gitna siya, like Tower G, isang swimming pool, tapos 2 tower lang nagkarap nasa gitna. So parang each gitna nun, meron talagang sarili nilang pool. Unlike sa iba, 6 na yung towers, then isa lang ang pool. So nag-aagawan sila. Yun ang one good thing about Gold. Sabi ko sa'yo, ang Gold talaga, tas hindi lang yan. Kaya most talaga ng mga bumibili na sa Gold are investors. Even foreigners, they love Gold. Ang Gold ang isa sa pinaka-top A natin na project sa SMDC. The amenities are really very competitive. Okay? It's right, pagbaba mo SNR na rin. Nandun lahat. So, ako, magbito ko.
Hindi ka pa ba nakadaan?
Sarap ng